It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys. Now that I'm in my other room here, I used to have my picture window in front of me. Now I have a side window, which I'm kind of liking. I can always peek out there. It is raining cats, dogs, and giraffes out there. Seriously, it is pouring. And I have to leave pretty soon to go pick up my daughter. So I'm hoping that the rain stops. It has been like 90 degrees here for 2 days. I think the rain is going to bring some cooler temperatures, which I'm liking. I'm actually freezing in here. I have the air on. And I wanted something homey, so guess what? I'm Vernon Bath & Body Works warm apple pie. We got to talk about this. We got to talk about the candle sale that is supposed to start tomorrow. Tried to believe it's sale, but first, oh my gosh, thank you everyone who has left comments on yesterday's video. I did a video yesterday ranking the body care. I forgot champagne, apple, and honey, and a few others. It's so funny. So, champagne, apple, and honey, I forget every year. And I don't know why. I think it's because I kind of think of it like as a spring scent. Also, it's like the first fall scent that comes out every single year. We always get champagne, apple, and honey first. So I think it's just out of sight, out of mind. And it's totally not my favorite. By the way, I'm wearing pumpkin pecan waffles today. I wore this to work and yeah, it smelled really good. Everyone was like, woohoo, pumpkin pecan waffles. I guess it does work. Everyone liked my smelling like breakfast, so I did enjoy that one. I am totally digging pumpkin pecan waffles this year, and I don't know why, because sometimes I like it and sometimes I don't, but now I'm kind of wearing it all the time. So, candles. Oh my gosh, I wanted something warm and homey today, so I did choose warm apple pie. Warm apple pie for years came out as the fall collection, and then they kind of reined it in and they put it out for 4th of July. They put it out really early, which makes sense. It's kind of a nice, I don't know, 4th of July pie, American, the whole vibe going on. So it works for 4th of July. But this year, what they did was they put it in a really, really pretty jar. So this jar does not look special online. I gotta say, it's kind of boring online, but let me tell you, in person, it's beautiful. It's very earthy. It looks like pottery. This little blue. It's just beautiful. I love this jar. I gotta say, there's a little bit of a metallic going on. It's so nice. So I am really digging warm apple pie this year. It's actually one of my favorites from Bath & Body Works. It is baked Granny Smith apple, melted brown sugar, and flaky homemade crust. Not a lot of spices going on. I mean, there's a touch to just give it that apple pie vibe. But what you really get in this one are the mushy cooked apples, the brown sugar, and the crust. There's a really nice crust in there. And everything just blends together. I love this one so much. Super authentic. It's not like a Macintosh apple. It's not like a crunchy, juicy apple. It is a cooked apple. And like I said, the brown sugar really brings it out. It's funny. I was looking at some of the reviews because they were kind of 1 star, 7 star. And I'm like, what's going on? I think it's a batch issue, you guys, because mine is a powerhouse. I burned this the other day. I just relit it about an hour ago, and I got the whoosh, and it's really strong. I'm loving it. I mean, I'd say this is a 9.5, but someone just wrote on here, it's very unscented. I have it in the bedroom, and there's no smell. The only thing that makes sense to me is that it's a batch issue. I don't know if they're making these in different parts of the country, different factories, because there's other people on here that are saying they love it. So, I mean, it's very strange. I don't know how to explain it. Unfortunately, you're not going to know if you got a strong one until you get it home and you start burning it. So I'm hoping everyone gets a really good one because this candle is amazing. It is full on authentic warm apple pie. So, warm apple pie. Next up, don't buy these today. Wait until tomorrow. Stop the video because I I knew we were getting a package, and I got Lush Halloween, by the way. I walked out of the room, and then I came back in, and I was just overwhelmed by this like wonderful apple pie smell. So I've done that a couple of times with this one. It smells amazing. Like seriously, this is a good one. Okay, so I was talking about the candle sale. So I'm seeing on Tessa's blog, Life Inside the Page. Link is below. Go check her out. She just posted a whole bunch of the Christmas car fragrance clips. Those are coming. I can't believe Christmas is coming. I don't know what the price point on the sale tomorrow is going to be. Try to believe it. So it could be a couple of different things. They could go really big and do a $12.95 sale. If they do that, hopefully we can use the coupons. I get 25% off. I'm getting a whole bunch of candles to review for you guys. They could do a buy two, get two free. Sometimes they do that. Not as good of a deal as a set price point, but not terrible. So as soon as I find out the price point on this candle sale, I will be letting you know. I think it's going to be going on the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, and the 10th, so basically for the weekend. So it's a good time to start stocking up on fall candles, autumn chai, praline delight, that whole new collection. I gotta start reviewing those. I just started with warm apple pie because I'm like, I'm in the mood. It's funny because if you've been watching me for a long time, I don't like fruit pie. My husband is a pie connoisseur. He loves warm apple pie, candle, eating pie. So it's funny. He actually smelled this one and he thought like, oh, did you pop a pie in the oven? No, I didn't. I like lemon meringue. I like key lime. I like anything chocolate, but I'm usually not a fruit pie eater. So, but I like the candle. Anyway, thank you as always for watching. Let me know what you guys think of warm apple pie, and I will be back later. Bye-bye.